Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can make Minecraft run faster. It's pretty simple. What you want to do is press your escape key once you're inside your world. Then you need to click on this thing called option. From option you want to go inside video setting. And in video setting make sure it's set on full screen. And on graphics over here make sure it's on fast, okay? Once your graphics is fast, over here where it says cloud, make sure cloud is fast as well. Once cloud is fast, over here where it says shadows, you can turn it off. But if you want to see some shadows, you can turn it on. But I don't like to see it, so I'll just turn it off. Once you do that, make sure full screen is on. Once full screen is on, basically it allows your game to run more smoother if it is on full screen. I don't know why, but that is basically how Minecraft works. Over here where it says chunk builder, you can put it on full blocking, but basically it doesn't matter. And over here where it says render distance, make sure it's 8 chunks. Do not go above 8, it'll start to lag a bit. And similarly over here as well, you can put 8. But if you have a really high-end PC, then you can go above 16 and stuff. But if it is lagging already, I would suggest you to put it on 8. And frame rate, put it on unlimited. Once this is done, click on done, click on done, click on back to game. And your game should start to run smoothly. As you guys can see, my game is way smoother than it was before. So I hope you guys understand how you guys can run Minecraft faster in your PC. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. One step, I'll see you guys next time.